Hello there, Captain, and welcome to this first tutorial of the Decarbonizer. Over the next few minutes, I will show you how to use the Decarbonizer and how it can give you a personalized decarbonization roadmap for your vessel. And if anytime you're using the Decarbonizer yourself and you have any questions or need any help at all, feel free to ask the help desk and click on the button Talk to an Expert. So, let's get started. So as you can see, we are at the Decarbonizer page. Just go to sustainableships.org/decarbonizer. And you scroll down. Well, I'm explaining you how it works, so you can scroll a little bit further. And here you see the tool itself. You can change the vessel name to start your journey. So we'll just leave it as is for now. So from left to right, we have the vessel name, vessel class you can choose from, as you can see here. And also fuel type. And then your engine characteristics. So let's go ahead and first change the vessel name. We're going to go for Unsinkable 2. Unsinkable 2. And you see the moment I start typing in a name, the Decarbonizer is going to do its magic. And we'll leave offshore class small, but we're going to go for HFO. We have a little bit more installed power, and our hotel load is slightly higher. And of course, intermittent loads are slightly higher as well. As you can see, it's still the beta version. So if there's any feedback you want to give us or something is not working, click on the button and provide us the feedback. We'd love to hear your, not just feedback, but also your complaints. Scrolling down here, you see an indication of your operating cost. Currently it's daily. You can click to yearly, but as you can see from the numbers, that's kind of scary because it's so high. So we'll just leave it at daily for now. You see the fuel cost or expected fuel cost, engine cost, total operational cost, and in the future, your full ETS cost, which for some of you will come in, starting next year, but mostly in a few years. And the daily carbon emitted. And here you can even change fuel price and engine maintenance if you want. And well, obviously that's going to change the metrics a bit there. And here the fuel price, I know it's a little bit higher, but just leave it at 1.2. Doesn't really matter for this tutorial. That's all you need to do. Basically, this would give you enough insights to more or less know what to do. So if we scroll down, here you have a full list of carbon reduction measures. Right now we have about 11. And if you want to know how we do it and why we do it like this, you can click on the Insights button here. I'll make sure to add a link later. And you can here choose whichever you want. As you can see, some are not yet available, but if you're interested, please let us know, because then we'll work harder to make it available for you. And we're going to click on, we're going to leave it like this. Everybody's wanting shore power, batteries, biofuels, hydrogen. This is your table. You can copy it if you want. You can change it along, of course, carbon reduction measures, etc. But well, this is getting confusing. So what we'll do is we'll simply leave our email address here. You are amazing. Thank you. And click on Get PDF. And then we'll just copy these into a PDF. And I've done so for you already. So here we have a PDF. This is the example that you can get. This is freely available. So everything we did, well, not exactly, I did this beforehand, but all your results will be added here, and you can keep them for safekeeping, maybe use them internally to get more insights in your business case or distribute it. And what you can also do, if this is not enough for you, we can make you a customized report, as you can see here. So here we've done so with a customized report for one of our clients, and there you get detailed insights on all the different technologies, and especially what's interesting for most of you is a detailed cost breakdown as well, that you can fully customize afterwards. So here you can all view it on the website as well. It's a fully customizable table to, get true insights in how much it's going to cost you. And of course, any other questions you can ask during the included expert hour. So we'll go through the entire report with you. So that's about it. Make sure to get back in maybe a few weeks or months, because each time we update the tool, you will receive more information. And again, of course, feel free to add your feedback onto, or give us your feedback by talking to an expert. That would really help us to improve the tool and make you a better personalized report. Thanks for watching the entire video, and I hope to speak to you soon.